Let us take a look at the Tensorflow folder. Inside the Tensorflow folder, there are three subfolders: datasets, models, and trainings. When a model is trained, all training information pertaining to model creation and the exported checkpoint will be found here. In order to use the suggest function and predict labels on new images, an exported checkpoint of a model should be copied from the trainings folder into the models folder so that it can be retrieved from the front end. The YAML file will automatically update itself by looking at the folder structure within the models folder. This gives the list of available models that can be retrieved from the front end when suggest labels is selected. Let us look at an example. We have successfully trained and exported a model called Tensorflow Detection Cups. The data can be found in the trainings folder. Let us navigate to the export folder and copy the files. Now navigate back to the Tensorflow folder and then into the models folder. Create a new folder with a desired name and paste the copied files in here. The model is now ready for deployment. Open the Tensorflow serving script on the desktop by double-clicking it. Open Chrome, go to the cockpit and then to Models. Select RCV-Tensorflow Standard from the Service drop-down menu. Click on the three-point menu and then on Get Models. The model we had copied into the Models folder now shows up on the left panel. Now let us navigate to the cups_evaluation dataset and suggest bounding boxes in the label tool. This can be done for each image one at a time, or to save time it can be applied to all images on the dataset or a certain number of images that can be chosen from the drop-down menu.